Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with Home Maintenance 101, where I try to bring you some tips to be able to help take care of your home so that your home takes care of you. So today I want to talk to you about your roof. What I would strongly recommend and what professionals would recommend is that you take a look at your roof on a regular basis to make sure that you don't have any existing issues that could become bigger issues in the future. So look for things like missing shingles, damaged shingles, discolored shingles, shingles where the granules are starting to wear away. So the granules are what offer the color to your shingles. If you start to see some black spots on your roof, that means you are missing granules. Those shingles are probably near failure at that point. You also want to make sure that you pay close attention to shingles that are around the flashing areas of your home. So that would be around chimneys, roof vents, soil stacks, skylights. These could be an issue immediately for you for water intrusion. You definitely don't want to have to take care of that. And if you don't take care of these things as soon as you see them, they can lead to a lot of costly repairs. Not only the cost of the shingles, but you also have the underlayment, drywall potentially, joists, plywood, and you definitely don't want to have to deal with anything that you don't necessarily need to deal with. And finally, I would strongly recommend that you take a look at your gutters, and the best time during a rainstorm. If you go outside and take a look at your gutters during a rainstorm and you start to see that the gutters are overflowing, that could lead to so many other issues, not to mention your foundation. So if they are overflowing at the diverters, at corners, that could lead to water going underneath your shingles, behind drip edge, behind flashing, and again, that could lead to an immediate problem. So I hope you found these tips helpful. Take a look at your roof regularly. If you do find some issues that need to be addressed, please reach out to a professional contractor. Maybe reach out to a home inspector and see if they can help you out. If you don't have a contractor that you know, like, and trust, please give me a call and I will refer one to you. You guys have a great weekend.